Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here today.
I'm Sophia.
And I'm Lucas. How are you today?
Today, we have a very useful topic for you. We're going to talk about travel and transportation.
Yes, travel is exciting, right? But sometimes it's difficult when you don't speak English well.
That's true, Lucas. But don't worry. Today, you'll learn how to ask for directions.
You'll also learn how to use buses, trains, and taxis.
And we'll teach you important travel words. Are you ready?
Great! Let's start our adventure together.
Okay, Lucas, let's imagine we're in a new city.
Oh, I love exploring new cities.
Me too. But Lucas, I have a problem. I'm lost. I can't find the train station.
Oh no. What do you do when you're lost?
I ask for directions. I look for a friendly person.
Good idea. I'll be the friendly person. Ask me.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. How can I help you?
I'm looking for the train station. Where is the train station?
The train station. It's very close. Go straight for 2 blocks.
Go straight. Okay, got it.
Then turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left at the traffic light. What next?
The train station is on your right. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much. You're very kind.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Did you see that, everyone? Let's practice those key phrases.
First phrase. Excuse me. Can you help me, please? This is very polite.
Always say excuse me when you stop someone. It's respectful.
Second phrase. Where is the? You can use this for anything.
Where is the bus stop? Where is the museum? Where is the hotel?
Now, let's talk about directions. Go straight means continue forward.
Turn left means go to the left side. Turn right means go to the right side.
Very simple. Now, think about your city. Where do you go often?
Write in the comments. How do you ask for directions in your language?
Okay, Sophia. Now we found the bus stop.
Perfect. I need to take the bus to the museum.
But there are many buses here. Which bus do we take?
Let's ask someone. Excuse me, which bus goes to the city museum?
Bus number 12 goes to the museum. It comes every 15 minutes.
Every 15 minutes? When is the next bus?
The next bus arrives in 5 minutes.
Great. How much is the ticket?
The ticket is $3. You can buy it on the bus.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, you can pay with a card or cash.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
See, asking questions is easy.
Let's practice the important phrases. Which bus goes to? This phrase is very useful.
Yes, which bus goes to the airport? Which bus goes to downtown?
Another useful question, how much is the ticket?
You can also ask, how much does it cost? Same meaning.
Now, the bus is here. Let's get on the bus.
Hello, 1 ticket to the museum, please.
Here's $3.
Thank you. Your stop is in 20 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Everyone, let's learn some vocabulary. A ticket is what you buy to ride the bus or train.
Get on means to enter the bus. Get off means to leave the bus.
Important. You get on the bus and you get off the bus.
A stop is the place where the bus stops. Bus stop, train stop.
Question for you. Do you usually take the bus or do you prefer the train?
Tell us in the comments. We want to know about your city.
Okay, Sophia. Now we're at the train station. I want to visit my friend in another city.
Trains are great for traveling between cities.
Yes, but first, I need to buy a ticket. Let's go to the ticket counter.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I need a ticket to Boston, please.
One way or round trip?
What's the difference?
One way is just going to Boston. Round trip is going and coming back.
Oh, I understand. Round trip, please. I'm coming back tomorrow.
Okay, the next train leaves at 2:30 p.m. It arrives at 4:15 p.m.
What time does the train leave? 2:30?
Yes, 2:30, platform number 5.
Platform 5. Got it. How much is the round trip ticket?
That's $45.
Here you are. Thank you.
Here's your ticket. Have a good trip. Okay, everyone, let's review these important phrases.
One way means you go, but you don't come back with the same ticket.
Round trip means you go and come back. You buy both tickets together.
Usually, round trip is cheaper. It's a better price.
Another important phrase is, what time does the train leave?
Leave means depart, go away. Arrive means come, get to the place.
And don't forget the platform. The platform is where you wait for the train.
Every train has a platform number. Always check your platform.
Question time. Have you ever traveled by train? Where did you go?
Sophia, it's late now. The buses aren't running.
Oh no. How do we get home?
Let's take a taxi.
Good idea. There's a taxi.
Good evening. Where are you going?
Can you take me to Park Street, please?
Park Street. Sure, no problem. Get in.
How long does it take?
About 15 minutes. Traffic is light now.
Great. How much will it cost?
Probably around $20.
Okay, thank you.
After the ride. We're here. That's $18, please.
Here's $20. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Have a good night.
You too.
Let's review. Can you take me to? Very useful for taxis.
How long does it take? This asks about time, not money.
How much will it cost? This asks about money, not time.
And keep the change means the driver can keep the extra money. It's a tip.
Tipping taxi drivers is common in many countries.
Wow, we learned so much today.
Yes, let's review the main phrases together.
For asking directions, excuse me, where is the?
Go straight, turn left, turn right.
For the bus, which bus goes to? And how much is the ticket?
For the train, one way or round trip. And what time does the train leave?
For taxis, can you take me to? And how long does it take?
Remember, everyone, practice makes perfect.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is how we learn.
Try using these phrases in your daily life, even at home.
Practice with your friends, your family, or even in front of a mirror.
Now, your homework. Write in the comments, what's your favorite way to travel?
Do you like buses, trains, taxis, or walking?
We love reading your comments. They help us make better videos for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English lessons.
Thank you so much for watching today.
See you in our next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing.